Hi, my name is Surya Prakash. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Deeploop Technologies. And we have Chandradhar Gautam as well, who is another co-founder. And we are invested by Mr. Chandra Dasari. So our company is primarily focused on manufacturing sector. So we call ourselves as a Metaverse factory that produces training modules. The reason we say so is we produce any training module within just 3 weeks and in an economical cost. So our major focus is solving the problem of onboarding employees who are related to hardware. We have just converted it into a simple tabletop solution. Using this, they can just wear it, practice it for 10 to 20 times, and they can get the training done. What's unique about us and what's the impact we created is, we have brought it into a complete wireless solution where you will be using the real hardware rather than using controllers or hands. You will be using the real hardware which you will be using in the plant, and this has a patented technology which does wireless communication to the headset directly, and you don't need any computer or any PC interface in between. You just wear it and use it. That's all. So that's how we were able to increase 50% of onboarding time of the new employees, and also we were able to increase 30% of the efficiency of their skill.